Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about 13 ways to earn money with mobile phones. Ways to make money with mobile, earn money on mobile. How are you all? You must be a mobile user? But do you know how to make money with mobile? You don't know, do you? No problem. Through today's article, we will know the way to earn money with mobile. Many of us want to know how to make money with mobile. What is the way to earn with mobile? But due to lack of proper information and direction, I don't understand which is the easiest way to earn income with mobile. Today, through this article, I will share with you some simple, accurate, and effective ways that if you try, you can earn a good amount of money every month with mobile. So let's find out the ways to make money on mobile and the correct information about it. Number 1. Blogging. Blogging is a smart and relatively easy way to earn money with mobile. You can create a website for free with your mobile phone. When creating a website, you choose the topic of the article, that is, the topic on which you want to write the article. You can earn money with mobile through affiliate marketing, including Google AdSense, by writing many articles and publishing them on your website with beautiful and amazing information. It does not need to be on your computer. Now you can earn money by writing SEO-friendly articles on your mobile. Number 2. Making YouTube videos. YouTube is currently the most popular video sharing site. Almost all kinds of videos are available here. If you ask, how to make money with mobile? Then I will answer, a good way to earn money with mobile is to make a YouTube video. Many students now choose YouTube as a way to earn money online as a student. You can make funny videos, make tech tutorials. There are many more topics to make videos on YouTube. If you make good quality videos and monetize your YouTube channel, you can earn up to $300 to $1,000 per month with mobile only. Just having a good camera phone as a tool is enough to start a career on YouTube. There are many popular and powerful video editing apps on mobile. You can easily edit many beautiful videos with them. Number 3. Making Facebook videos. If you ask me for the third time, how to make money with mobile? In response, I would say, make videos on Facebook as well as YouTube. If you want to start working as a video creator, then your income is more likely to be higher. Suppose you make a funny video on YouTube. You can also upload those videos to your Facebook page if you want. Videos are more viral on Facebook than on YouTube, and much faster. Facebook videos are viral. The video may not go viral for the first few months, but if you wait 3/4 months, you will gradually see a good view in your video. Once the video goes viral, the views will keep coming. Pages can be monetized by uploading videos to Facebook pages like YouTube. This way you can earn money from Facebook page. Moreover, there are several other ways to earn money from Facebook with mobile. Number 4. Product reselling. Another effective way to earn money with mobile is to work as a reseller. You may be wondering, what is product reselling? Product reselling is the sale of a product by a company or organization. In return, the company will pay you a commission. Let's explain what product reselling is. Suppose you want to join a company as a reseller. You will download pictures, descriptions, etc. of the products of that company. You have to sell the product at a higher price than the price of that product. The higher the price at which you can sell the product, the higher the profit. There may be another rule. Suppose the price of the product you want to sell is $100. And if you sell it, you will get 5% commission. If you can sell the product, then your profit will be $5. In this way, by reselling the product, money can be earned mainly through mobile. Number 5. Freelance article writing. In our today's list, the 5th way to earn money with mobile is freelance article writing. Freelance article writing and blogging are not the same thing. However, freelance article writing is a part of blogging. Blogging is about writing regularly on a website or platform, and freelance article writing is about writing articles for a website or company that will hire you when they need that company's article. You will be charged for each article. That is, it is a piece of work. It's not always the job you get, it's not the only job you have to do. Number 6. Online income app. You may know that there are many apps to earn money on mobile. If you go to Google Play Store and search by typing online income apps, you will see many apps. However, you cannot make a good income from such apps, because they will not pay you as much time as you waste behind this app. However, if you have a lot of time, then I recommend using the best apps to earn income. You can earn money by doing different kinds of work in these apps. E.g., watch the video, play games, survey work, downloading apps. You can use the following apps to earn income from mobile apps: Pocket Money app, Dream 11, Google Pay, Roz, Dan, Google Opinion Rewards, Zaggle. In addition to these apps, you will find various types of money-making apps in the Google Play Store. Through them you can earn money by doing some simple things. Number 7. Earnings by typing CAPTCHA. On the internet you will find many CAPTCHA typing websites, where you can earn money by typing CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA typing is very profitable in the field of earning income by working free time on mobile. You can do this very easily with your mobile. If you work here for 2 to 3 hours every day, you can earn $50 to $100 per month. Here you will be paid from $1 to $3 for completing 1,000 CAPTCHA correctly. If you search the internet you will find a lot of CAPTCHA websites. Number 8. Video sponsor. Earn with video sponsor. You will see many companies talking on YouTube from time to time. Many people say that today's video is sponsored by this company or that company, and you can earn money through this sponsorship of YouTube video. Number 9. Earn money from various quiz apps. Currently you can see many apps in the country, and the amount is increasing day by day. And some of these quiz apps are giving you the opportunity to earn money by playing quizzes. In addition to studying through this, you will be able to earn a good amount of money. Number 10. Like on Facebook, earn money by sharing in comments. You have been on Facebook for a long time, so maybe you're pretty good at using it. And in these few years, Like has shared many posts on Facebook. Maybe that's why you like it. But how would you feel if someone paid you for every like or comment? Surely much better, isn't it? Yes, such a website called ShareYT is keeping the facility for you. By signing up for this website you will be able to fully understand their activities. Every day new work of new clients is added here. And they also put a good amount of money to share in every like comment. Through this you will get money for referring others even if you sign up. And you can take money for the development of your own mobile. Number 11. Income from short link website. Think about how many places you have seen this article by bit.ly. You may not be able to catch the number, because the use of this bit.ly has caught your eye thousands of times. And do you know this beetle? If you click on the bit.ly link, you will see that the link with bit.ly has redirected you to another large link. And this is basically the work of your link shortener. However, you cannot earn income from bit.ly. But there are some more popular websites like a.fly, blv.me, etc. And you will be amazed to think that this task is very easy. So in this way you can make your own income from the phone. Number 12. Sell mobile photographs. Almost all of the smartphone users take pictures for different needs or hobbies at different times. If you are a hobby mobile photographer, then a little bit of your hard work can turn your hobby into money income. Now the question that may arise in your mind is, where will I sell the pictures? Who will buy my mobile photography? The answer to your first question is that there are several popular websites for selling mobile photographs. I will discuss the websites later. And the buyers of your mobile phone photography will be those who need low-budget pictures. Suppose you have a website that needs some photographs, but you don't understand photography very well, or you need extra money and effort to hire a photographer to take pictures. You bought pictures from a website to save your money and time. This is how the pictures of the websites are sold. Now let's talk about the websites that sell pictures. There are several sites for selling mobile photography, such as Agora, Images, Fope, Snapwire, Clashit, Dreamstime, etc. The above websites have to meet certain conditions for selling pictures and withdrawing money. Number 13. Online tuition. The most popular means of extra income during student life is tuition. But if it happens that you do not have to go to a specific place or a student's home to teach, or you can teach your student at home, then of course it is much better. The idea of online tuition started as soon as you realized this wish. You will not need any special arrangements for online tuition. Only if you have a mobile phone and a good internet connection. You can teach students using your mobile camera through a website or an app. By joining the online tuition model through mobile phone, it is possible to get rid of the suffering of traveling in tuition. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.